Hello student, today we will start to learn about the ratio analysis or accounting ratio. Accounting ratio is most important chapters of your syllabus and hence it is used after the classes. It means after the 12 classes. Therefore it is in life. It is not used in 12 class 1 in graduations and a practical life of business. Here we know about the accounting ratio. The knowledge about the accounting before taking the knowledge of accounting ratio, we know about the ratio. What is ratio? The ratio, we can say simply, the ratio simply one number expressed in terms of another. When any one number expressed in another number or terms of another is known as ratio. It means we can say that for the purpose of ratio, we have needed two numbers. Without two numbers, at least two numbers it should be, then we find the ratio. Now, I would like to say about accounting ratio. What is accounting ratio? Accounting ratio means when the ratio calculated on the basis of accounting information. When the ratio calculated on the basis of accounting information, these are called the accounting ratio. As per the given informations or as per the given definitions, we can say that the ratio, the relationship between the accounting variables of financial statements. We already know about the financial statements. Here we would like to put about the accounting ratio and know the accounting variables. What is the relationship between the accounting variables of financial statement? The financial statements are ready by the business or by the company, and at least two variables. The relationship shown in two variables is known as the accounting ratio or accounting ratio. Now we know about the accounting ratio analysis. What is ratio analysis? Today we are seeing about the definitions and importance of accounting ratio, and thereafter we take care about the calculations, how to calculate it, what is the formula. Thereafter we need. First, now accounting ratio. What is accounting ratio? Ratio of financial statement with the help of ratio may be terms. Means analysis. What is analysis? Analysis of financial statement with the help of ratio may be termed as accounting ratio. That is known as also the ratio analysis. Means analysis of, what is analysis? Analysis of financial statement. Financial statement, we should have to take the decision on the basis of financial statement, whatever given in the books. Then when we analyze the financial statements, we analyze the financial statement on the basis of ratio is known as ratio analysis. What is the needed for that? It's help me. Which type of helps are given by the ratio? It helps us for measuring the performance of business enterprise. Ratio analysis helps us for measurements of business enterprises. What is the performance of business enterprises? We know by the way of ratio analysis. After the ratio analysis, we have to take care the objective of ratio analysis, accounting ratio. What is the objective? Actually, in the examinations, we are suffered by the meaning of accounting ratio and the importance of and objectives. Whatever the different type of questions by the JEC. Then we are say about the objective of accounting ratio. What is objective of accounting ratio? Then there are various objectives. Here we put two objectives, the sufficient for you, and thereafter we say the different other objectives. verbally. Now we say what is the objective? To provide deeper analysis of the liquidity, solvency, profitability and activities of business enterprises. Whatever may be, whenever we calculated the accounting, then the different part or different type of accounting ratio are calculated by us as liquidity ratio, solvency ratio, profitability ratio and activity ratio. Then analysis, what is doing by the analysis? Analysis provided analysis, deeper analysis of that all the terms of liquidity, solvency, profitability and activities. Second one, the accounting ratio. What is the objectives? It is objects or need to attentions about the business enterprises. It helps to attentions about the area about those area which is intentionally taken by the owners for business. It means to know about the area of business in which needed more attention. It means by the way of ratio analysis we take the attentions about the business. Next one, we would like to say you about the which is the potentials area for business and how they affects to desired directions. How it affects to desired directions? What if, there are different direction, different objectives for different business. Then by the way of analysis or accounting ratio, we can thought about the desired directions. Either we are success in that or not. Today we are saying about the accounting analysis, and after this class, the next class we are continuing it.